a lot of the pushback I get on AI adoption when we talk today is like, oh yeah, the thing doesn't do anything, or it doesn't work the way they say it was going to work, and so on. And I say, let's take the motor car as an example. The car's been around for a long time. When it started, there were no seat belts, there were no backup cameras, there weren't versions of seats. Some of them didn't even have a top covering the top or a windshield to stop the wind from your face until somebody drove down a road for too far and decided there were too many bugs in their teeth and they needed to put a windshield in place. So if the car, even today, the car manufacturers have recalls on things that they should have down pat that have been invented, refined, and improved over the years. But still today, something as commonly used as a motor car still has issues and hasn't gotten to that penultimate perfect car solution. And if that's the case, 35, 40 years into that piece of machinery becoming mainstream, imagine what's happening with AI when the version that didn't work was only 6 months ago. So when we
Yeah.
think about how we're going to get through that, the data is clear. We want to take a look at how is this opportunity in the market, and 75% of people are already using AI at work. 46% of them started using this AI less than 6 months ago. And that's these are the we're already in the area where we've passed the super early adopters. They were in it a year and a half ago. We're at the point where the people that are like, oh well, this looks a bit stable now. We're going to use it every day. So if 75% of the people are already using it at work, we have to make sure that what they are using is what we want to be managing and that we have clear vision of what that is, which is why we want to talk a little bit about how Microsoft Copilot addresses those challenges and make sure that within the space that we have enough in the market that from a Microsoft 365 Copilot AI planning, deployment, usage, that you have the readiness services for your end customers because they're the ones that are going to be asking for this.